Hi friends, I hope everybody will be fit and fine there. And today I came with a new video with the objective of how to get rid of unsaved data or how to retrieve your unsaved data in Excel sheet. I hope everybody is working on Excel sheet. It may be in their home, it may be in their office or in a company work, or you are doing some calculation work. Any kind of work you are doing in your day-to-day life, you may use your Excel sheet. But sometimes what happens is, unfortunately, or if the power failure has gone, or sometimes you have forgot to save your data or you save your Excel sheet. In that case, whatever the work you have done in your Excel sheet, you are not able to retrieve that information or data. So today in this video, we will discuss how you will retrieve your unsaved data in Excel sheet. Okay, so there will be two ways to get rid of these data or to retrieve your Excel sheet data. So I will explain you here. So let us start the video. So this is my desktop screen. Okay, so here I have opened a Excel sheet. These data I have ready-made done and I have made it for you, so we can save our time. And in this Excel sheet I will tell you how you can retrieve your data. So as I discussed, that there will be two ways to retrieve your data. So the general way, the first one, everybody knows that and everybody most probably using that. So simply what you can do is, if you go to your menu or Excel menu, if you click on this, you will find a recent documents. So here it will display a couple of document list recently you have opened or you have worked on. Okay, so in this Excel sheet you can open your Excel sheet and you can see what are the work you have done, it is there or not. Okay, so suppose I have worked on this Excel shortcut keys. If you click on this, it is opening here. Okay, similar way, whatever the Excel sheet you will open, or if you have worked recently, you can able to retrieve it from here. Okay, this is one way. And the most important way I will tell you now. If you click on this Excel menu, so you have to go your Excel option. This is your Excel option. So whatever the version you are using in Excel sheet, there will be definitely a Excel option. So you have to move to your Excel option. Then you click on this, you will find this window, this type of window you will find there. So there will be couple of settings available in this pop-up window. So you have to choose save now. Then you can able to see this window, customize how workbook are saved. Okay, so here save files in this format. Which formats Excel sheet you are working? You may be working with Excel macro or Excel workbook. Whatever the type of Excel work you are doing, you can select that one. I am working in Excel workbook, so I will keep this one. And here save auto recover information every. So your auto recovery information you can set, it will be minute wise or your, so you can increase the timing of your auto recovery. Each and every 5 minutes after, your data will keep on saving automatically. Okay, so you can adjust the minutes, okay, time slot. Now auto recover option, there will be any Excels are there. One document, it is already open. So this is the Excel shortcut keys, the document name. So you can able to see my Excel name. Okay, so I am doing the setting for this Excel now. Okay, right now what you can do is, you can able to see so many checkboxes are available here. Two checkboxes are there generally. So here disable auto recover for this workbook only. So for this workbook, it is already disable auto recover. So you have to uncheck it. If it is checked in your system, then it is fine. Otherwise, if it is disabled, then make it enable. Okay, then after click on OK. Okay, so now the thing is, where you will get this information, where you will recover your Excel sheet. So you can able to see, this is a link auto recover file location. Okay, so it is written here C drive user admin, and in that F data inside you can having a folder again roaming, in that Microsoft, again in that Excel is there. Inside you will find your Excel sheet. Okay, so what you need to do is, you just copy this one here, copy. Okay, Now you can open your my computer, okay, and in the search box you can simply paste it, okay. If you paste it, you can able to see the path directly, okay. See here, it can see user, admin, app data, roaming, Microsoft and Excel. So whatever the path we have mentioned or we have got there, it is already there, okay. So you have to go inside, you can able to get rid your Excel sheet here. Simply you have to open that Excel sheet and you have to do save as, like save as, and you can save in your folder. So this is the ultimate way how you can recover your unsaved Excel sheet data. Okay, so I hope you have understand and you have liked this video. So simply we'll keep on coming with this interesting with the type of interesting videos. Okay, so stay tuned with Technical Pioneer. Thank you very much for watching.